In this video, you'll learn how to log in to your eBay credit card account. By following these steps, you will gain access to your account information, allowing you to manage your credit card effectively. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the website of the financial institution that manages your eBay credit card. It is essential to ensure that the website address is correct to protect your account information. Once you have entered the correct URL, press enter to navigate to the login page. Make sure to have your login credentials ready, as this will streamline the process. On the login page, you will see fields for entering your registered username and password. Carefully input your username in the designated field, followed by your password in the corresponding box. These credentials were created when you activated your credit card account. After entering your information, double check to ensure everything is accurate to avoid any login errors. Some accounts may require additional verification steps, such as answering security questions or entering a verification code, which adds an extra layer of security. Once you have confirmed your credentials and completed any necessary verification, click the login button. After a brief moment, you will be redirected to your credit card account dashboard. This page provides an overview of your account, displaying your current balance, transaction history, and available payment options. Understanding this information is crucial for managing your finances effectively. From the dashboard, you can review your statements or make payments towards your credit card balance. Regular monitoring your account will help you manage your spending and avoid late fees. Additionally, if you need to update any account settings, you can do so from this page. Your account is now fully accessible and you can navigate through various options as needed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next one.